Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, if you are subscribed to my channel, guys, please make sure to turn those notifications on so that you do not miss out on any videos. I just got this package in the mail literally while I was filming this video. If you guys are interested in this one, I'm going to make sure to leave a link down below so you guys can watch. But I did order a custom wig about 2 weeks ago, and I just got it in the mail and I decided to unbox it with you guys. This is not a sponsor video. This is something that I spent my own coins on, and I'm gonna give you guys all the details. I'm gonna be inserting some pictures from the website just so you guys can get an idea of the unit that I ordered. Now this unit is called Meghan. It is in the length 18 inches. This is raw Cambodian hair. The knots are bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked, and it is a closure unit. Now I decided to get this custom because when it comes to like bundle hair and stuff, first I prefer raw hair. Second, I like for my units to fit to my head. You guys know with me reviewing so many units, sometimes these units are either too big, some companies fit me just right, but I like to have a custom unit in my stash that I can throw on, and I already know that the hair is going to last me a long time. This unit comes from the company Glam by Nita. It is a black owned company, and I'm going to be leaving all the links and information down below. She has a good variety of units to choose from on her website, and they all look good. It was really hard for me to pick, but I knew I wanted a little bit of color in my life, which is why I decided to go with Meghan. Now I made sure to send her my head measurements. If you guys do not know how to measure your head, you can definitely contact her or search on the website, and it will give you the information so that you can measure your head correctly. And this is what her packaging looks like. It came really quick. I'm in Houston and this shipped from the Dallas area, so it literally came within 2 days. And she shipped it out right away. Contacted me to make sure which side that I want the parting space on. I told her to just go ahead and put it in the middle. And yeah, smells like hair. It comes with this hair net. She also made sure to send me a video clip of the unit just to make sure everything was right and if I wanted to make any customization. And then she also did send me pictures. So this is what it is looking like. Now, of course, I need to put it on because it was, you know, put like this to preserve the curl. Her website, she only does closure units, and this is, like I said, a custom unit. So it has her name tag on the back. There are no combs, but you do get an elastic band, and then she also has the bands in the back to tighten it up. And I'm gonna show you guys what the inside of her cap construction looks like. So this is the inside of her cap construction, and it looks really nice and neat. Like I stated, the knots are bleached on this unit, and then that is what the color looks like. Go ahead and plop this unit off my head, and then I'm going to try that unit on just so you guys can see what it looks like. I forgot to mention that I did place this order about 2 weeks ago, and it came in the amount of time that it was supposed to come in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place this on. Oh my gosh, and it fits perfectly. I really won't even need my wig grip. Now there was some hair that got caught underneath. 1 second. All right, so I'm just gonna brush the curls out. I really don't want to, but just to kind of tame it a little bit. This hair feels super soft, has a little bit of texture to it, which I expected with Cambodian hair. This is what it is looking like, and I'm gonna have to cut the lace. I don't know if this is HD lace, but I think I might have to add a little bit of tint. You guys can see the hairline is pre-plucked. I love the way that she set it. It looks very natural without being over plucked. I love the curls on this. It's looking good so far. And then it's laying very flat to my head. The tracks are very flat. My hair kind of lumpy underneath because it's time for me to get my hair rebraided, and I don't have it like crocheted up, so I have to push my braids up. But yeah, there's no bulging in the tracks or none of that. Like, it's laying flat. And I wanted to make sure that this unit wasn't going to be super thick, just because I have had raw hair that was just so thick that I couldn't manage it. And on top of that, the texture, it was extremely frizzy. I like how natural it looks, and I also like how long it lasts. So that is what it is looking like. And the curls stayed. The curls are gonna drop during being in the male, but it looks good. And of course it doesn't look as long because of the curls. I need to learn how to curl like this, because I can't get my curls down like this. I have to use my wand curls all the time. But I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what this looks like from the back. Now on the website, the parting space was on the right side, I believe. And I just opted for a middle part because I really don't like hair in my face like that. So I always just think a middle part is just super easy to kind of throw on without having to worry about anything. But eventually I will end up switching it up. She has some really nice units on her website. There's a shorter one. It's like a choppy bob, and I ain't gonna lie, I've been eyeballing that. But you know, I gotta slow my roll because this unit is on the pricier side. It is an investment. Now, of course, if you just do not want to give up all those funds at once, she does offer sizzle on the website where you can make payments on the unit. So just wanted to come and show you guys this unit. She does not know that I'm doing this. Like I said, it's not sponsored. This was just me wanting something for my personal stash, just because my other raw units are starting to get older. And I do have one raw unit that I don't wear just because it's so thick, and I'm considering getting it remade over. But I wanted something that had a little color to it, because literally most of my units are all one natural color. And I feel like these highlights are not doing too much. Like, this is the perfect blend. If you guys do want to update when I start to wear it and, you know, start seeing how it's going to react and all that other stuff, then I will come back and give you guys an update if you are interested. To leave a direct link to Miss Meghan down below in the description area, and also a link to the website, you know, just in case you see something that you like and you want to get. If you do end up getting something, let her know that I sent you over. And I'm also going to leave a link down below to her YouTube channel, because she does have YouTube videos and she be killing it with the fashion. She be killing it. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Turn those notifications on. And me and Megan, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.